Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water inlet valve in your freezer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. You will need to pull the freezer away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. To do this, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the base grill. Pull the base grill forward to remove. Use a 1/4-inch socket or wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the freezer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch socket or a nut driver to unthread the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Use a wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, unthread the mounting screws to release the inlet valve from the frame. Detach the water tube from the bracket and depress the retainer to release the tube from the valve. Disconnect the wire connector. Prepare the new water inlet valve for installation by transferring the tube retaining bracket from the old valve to the new one. Connect the wire connector. Insert the tube into the valve and secure it in the bracket. Align the assembly and secure it to the frame with the mounting screws. Reattach the water supply line. Reposition the access panel and rethread the screws. If applicable, make sure to secure the strain relief clamp for the water supply tubing with the appropriate rear panel screw. Once the freezer has been moved back into place, rotate the brake feet clockwise until both are in contact with the floor. Snap the base grill into place. Rethread the screws to secure the base grill. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your freezer should be ready for use.